In today's video, I will teach you how to mask out shadows in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, in the toolbar, use the Object Selection tool and select your subject, but disregard the shadows first. Make sure that the entire object is selected, but if there are spare edges or areas that you would like to deselect, simply use the Quick Selection tool and hold down Shift to change the selection modes. Once you've selected the object, click on the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and press Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate the layer. Now, add the background image that you like. Once you're satisfied, select the layer mask thumbnail of the duplicated layer and press Ctrl I to invert. Now, change the blending option to whatever suits your image the best, but I highly recommend using either multiply or linear light. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.